Here I have VIVO Y01, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button, not silent mode, but battery saver. So by tapping on this button you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn off automatically when your device is up to 19% charged, and you can also set a schedule for it based on your percentage. So basically, like at the 30%, this mode will be turned on automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.